Hey guys, it's Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now in front of me on the table, I've got Lange's quick release hardtop screws fitting your 2007 through 18 JK Wrangler, as well as your 2018 and newer JL Wrangler. What's nice about these Lange hardtop screws is that they are completely billet, as well as this nice Delrin bushing, so you're not going to damage the inside of your hardtop, and you'll have a very easy way to simply unscrew those screws in the back. Now normally you have to use a T50 Torx bit to unscrew all 6 of the screws on either side of your hardtop, but with these you simply pull those out, install these as a replacement, and then anytime you go to remove your hardtop, it is as simple as putting your hand on it and just giving it a nice twist. Now with these you're going to get a set of 6, and like I mentioned before, they will fit JK and JL. We're going to show you what one looks like in the backside of my JL Wrangler. Now here I do pull off my hardtop quite a bit, so putting these on will make it very easy for me to just reach in there, get it done a little bit easier, and not have to worry about nicking up the inside of my hardtop with a ratchet, scratching anything up when I put it in. These are simply going to go in nice and easy and work very well. Now if you want to check these out, be sure to visit cjponyparts.com, where you can find these as well as a wide variety of Lange accessories.